Hi, let me show you what we did with Android, an Android tablet, as well as a microcontroller. What we have here is a toy car remote that we are using to control our toy car over there. We built an Android application that can control the servos of the car by tilting the tablet. As well as controlling the motors forward and backward. What we did is essentially build an application that uses USB to communicate with our microcontroller, which then in turn communicates with the car using the car's remote. Well, you see a lot of cables here. This is since we had to hack open the car remote and to connect the cables to our microcontroller. Now those car remotes are usually very simple of cheaper cars, since they only have digital inputs. What we're essentially doing is pulling down the buttons on the remote virtually using the GPIO of the microcontroller. And this results in the possibility to control the car with the tablet. Thank you very much.